Hi, welcome. It's Cindy the counselor. I'm making a quick little video before I head out for the day. So this one's about anxiety because a lot of people suffer with anxiety, and anxiety really just sucks. When you're really nervous about something, usually it's stuff that's outside of your control. So if you just actually make peace with that like most everything is outside of your control, I can only control myself. That brings relief. But actually, deep breathing does help. And I know like a lot of people say deep breathing, but a lot of people do it wrong. So here's how I help young people, and actually I do it for myself too, because it reminds me to stop and breathe the right way. So with deep breathing, what you're going to do is you're going to breathe in through your nose like you're smelling a flower, like, and breathe out like you're blowing out birthday candles, right? So if you try that a few times, it'll help you calm down. So that is my quick little video for the day. Sorry I haven't made many videos, but I'm in the midst of or we just moved, so as you can see, there's like nothing on the wall yet because it's all sitting over here by the by the wall, propped up against the wall. But anyways, in the midst of getting things moved in and stuff. So, and I was trying to wait, which I did, luckily, for the Black Friday Cyber Monday thing to buy this awesome new laptop that has a better webcam. So I'm glad about that. So anyways, remember if you're feeling anxious today, breathe in like you're smelling a flower, breathe out like you're blowing out birthday candles. And anyways, this is Cindy, the counselor, signing off. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do, because I'll be making more regular videos with little coping tips and little skills you can learn to help improve your life so that you're happier and more positive. And I guess that's about it. And you can always check out my blog on my website, cindythecounselor.com, and I will talk to you later. Have a great day. Bye.